DJ is a beat on the stereo.
She say I'm sweet. Every night and day she want this. She telling me that the boy is sweet. Every night and day she want this. She wanting my body. Girl say she loving my body. She tell me she wanting my body. She say she can do that the body.
She says I'm hot and my body perfect. She says I'm the best guy she has ever had. She knows I'm tough when my cocky gets hot. I give her a magical feeling. She say please don't go. Come give me some more. You speak like Bomero. She like the way I chew her like a chewing gum. I like the way she lick me like a tum tum. She like the way I chew her like a chewing gum. I like the way she lick me like a tum tum. She say I'm nice and she say I'm sweet. Every night and day she wants it. She telling me that the boy is sweet.
Thank you very much. You know, good evening and welcome on Top of the Night Show for today. We be February 11, 2015. How many days did it remain now before Valentine?
3 days only.
3 days now remain before Valentine.
Hey.
So that we go know who love who and who no love who.
Anybody we may excuse on that February 14th, when Saturday. Nowhere, no how.
Some people be done they happy say federal government don't say they go do election, but finally now some girls their prayer don't work. The fasting with the fast, God finally the heaven has opened.
Amen.
Valentine is going to be on Saturday now.
No excuse. If you are not present on that February 14th, naim be say for the second echo day that thing. You are a side chick.
So now you go then know who be side chick
now you
and who be main chick. You know all those and some of them they go break up with una tomorrow. I just say not be say I be prophet of doom.
No. So be careful waiting you go tell your boyfriend or girlfriend now. Because they go quick face now. And this you go say, oh, that is it.
Like okay, say call me, look me in the eye. Look me in the eye, say, call me any name whether they call boyfriend and girlfriend, like baby, honey. Call me honey.
Sunshine.
Call me honey.
Honey.
Who is honey? What did you just call me now?
Honey.
You so I'm not a bee. You're calling me honey. I'm not a bee that fly up and down. I break up with you, get out. Live here. It's over. Because of this, I love honey. You're calling me baby. Hold on. That B, the first B, is it capital letter or small letter?
It's a small letter. Oh. So I'm not a small.
Yeah, I'm not a small man. We break up. Anyway, now welcome to the show. But before we start the show, it gets some things where I go like Moko talk about.
It's within my body.
It get one
within my body.
Should be Nations Cup don't finish. Cutting wet now. Should be Nations Cup don't finish.
It's within my body.
When did they do Olympic? Wait, no. I asked when did they do Olympic?
Well, I don't know now.
Now, it get wet here. You know, I know not besides I decrease. I just I want to ask one question. No, it gets some kind of things where we do for Olympic. Where we not the few win gold medal past. Okay. Now only for run. Me Okabari. Where win for run. And
if to say farming day for Olympic.
No, for farming. There are no people farming. See things we're supposed to do Olympic. Ludo. Snake and ladder.
Draft.
What? Last card and check up.
That thing you just used to do that and put it in the ground.
Hey, what did they do that? Where you go pack? Ayo.
And count 1 1 1 1 inside.
All those way and they come make I come do that. You come tram. You call it.
Square.
You come down again. I also way one more come on this way. One more. 2 more. Right, you can do amen.
My mama told me that
you know Sabi Joe.
Neru na you know Sabi.
My mother told me that he will buy me. My mother told me.
If I'm a good girl, also you play.
Hey, your father. Anyway, so now those kind of things, if you don't for Olympics, who go win? And they get one video. Why one show now?
Here.
Now competition easy beat if you see them. Now slapping competition.
Slapping.
We not go watch the video now.
Competition.
If we they do that thing, we go win gold.
Yes.
Moko watch and we go come back.
I agree.
If we do that kind of
no, we go blow.
No, we go blow. We go win. We go see Olympics again. I bet wanna play that video for us.
We they come back.
That is you go see the corner Nigeria they get. Like tennis. No, the first black. The first one first. You first slap. Now give her. It be like girl slap. Now the guy say, oh, you have slapped me. Now the guy doing.
You see as he do
hand like this. Cheek like this.
He be like who they find cool if they play football.
Wham! That's it. Now this guy, all those men when they dig ground. Now then they're supposed to finish. Nigeria go win Olympics. See slap. Boom!
You know see in chicks. In chicks, they do which color be this? They don't look in chick.
Turquoise red.
They don't know now. This one now green and black or black green.
See, federal government of Nigeria, when I reason this thing, put this thing for inside Olympic. Talk to Olympic when they put out for Olympic.
No, where we could come get our contestant from?
No.
Now which kind
now they
side
tell you people where they dig ground. All those farmers, now them we supposed to use.
How about all these boys conductor them?
Hey, the boys come out show you. Come on, no, easy bit, come. No, we're not gonna fight. Come, you go say, come out and match and they do for boss.
No,
come out, easy bit, come on.
They don't slap.
Say, ask me, say, where my come. No, not fear.
No, I didn't.
Not fear. You not go do it.
Easy,
ask me, say, where my change. Come this, not fear, not go play. Where my change? Over gba change, bo. Tiba, ele, bo vita, ele. Tiba fwe, ele APC,
Meanwhile, nothing there.
Meanwhile,
they don't get power.
Meanwhile, they don't get. That kind of way like this. Boo, when they give out laugh.
Imagine say, now that kind of person when they slap like this. He could go heaven come back.
Anyway, and you get another thing again. People they say the beginning of the fear of some things is the beginning of wisdom. For Lagos, if you they drive, the fear of lasma is the beginning of wisdom.
Yes.
Now, Lagos State government, me and Katim, we sit down, we can't think.
We can't think and we enter serious thinking.
Because the flesh and blood will not reveal this to you.
No.
The spirit.
Only the Spirit.
Reveal it to us. Speak in tongues. Speak in tongues. Sister is okay. No. Sister, calm down. Calm down. So, Fachala, the governor, executive governor of Lagos State,
yes.
and the governor where go enter, we never know which one go enter. Whether na Ambode, I've been a Jimmy Agbajo, I've been others who will never even hear.
But for now,
make una watch this video. If case of last month moto, no.
There's no need. ECB, this one now effective now. What's it Ojibo they say? Do it yourself.
Do it yourself.
DIY.
I beg, Mona play the video so that we go understand how traffic should be controlled.
Finish.
Please play us the video. Play the video quick, officer.
The Oga Patakpata for the city of Vilnius inside Obodo, Lithuania no get time at all. He noticed say some kind tear rubber cha-cha motor like Rolls Royce, Ferrari, Bugatti, Hummer Jeep and Mercedes Benz dey park anyhow for road. He can't think the matter where he see say wetin government go fit do to all these people when they take disobedience show swagger. After he wear recommended glass look the matter he can see say na to take iron face iron. He draw ear give everybody for the full town say na to use tanker crush their motor, that is press am like fish wey dey inside sardine, na him go dey take their motor dey do anytime when they park anyhow for road. When the person wey get this motor come out, he come look the person say, you sef, use your church mind look this road well. Na here you suppose park. Sorry, but next time no park there again.
No, they don't burn the person well.
They not burn you well.
Imagine you come back, you dress like easy like this. Come with your suitcase. You come, you say, blood of God, where my motor?
So I can see your motor. Don't speak proud. Come on. So Fachola and other state government wanna copy this thing. It's the easiest way to this one. Now
obey by force.
When you park your motor, you go first pass.
You don't see as the guy humble.
You go first pass. Oh, motor, no. Oh no, they go cross my motor. You go. In fact, some people
by yourself.
You just calm down.
By yourself. You go find way to park your motor.
Anyway, welcome to the night show for today.
Oh, we not really welcome them.
And we never welcome them. We just say make them watch your video, make them ginger themselves small. You don't understand? Valentine done they come. Tomorrow we go give una the do's and don'ts on Valentine.
Will you be my Valentine? My Valentine.
My Valentine. No, sing soprano. Soprano is the light.
Will you be my
Valentine? See, you are changing your key.
No, I just the recover now. My phone is never strong like that.
Give me tenor.
Will you be my
Valentine? Let me I go sing soprano.
Valentine.
Will you be my Valentine? Easy beat, give me alto. Alto. Start your own.
Will you be
my Valentine? Valentine. Will you be my Valentine? For Valentine. My brother, I'm going to sing this song. Come on. What do they discuss today? The topic we'll discuss today is very, very simple. Now,
we get 3 options.
We get 3 options for this thing. This guy, easy bit today, he go work. As he go work, come back from work, carry key, enter inside house. He just, as he enter inside room, he dey hear, ow, hey, she made me, God, the guy say, what the kilo jelly? I don't know what is going on. The guy come as a sharp man, come carry waka, come go inside bedroom. Hey! What did the man of God behold? Man of God see where another minister.
Hey!
The feeling wife. The minister on top of the wife.
They do anything. They feel. As easy been me.
Easy been talk up, do again. They feel out. Do again. They feel out. The guy see where another man they feel the wife, and the wife too they feel the guy. So they too they do the wife. They feel themselves. Then the man look everything, come smile, just turn back, go parlor, go sit down, carry remote on TV, they watch.
You're quiet.
He not talk anything. Now the man from inside, you run, come outside. Ah, bro, I beg no face.
Now they feel.
Ah, no worry.
These things they happen.
They happen. No worry, they happen. Now the other man go. Now the wife now come the fear. Say for this man not to do anything. This man is a dangerous somebody. He can do something to eat now. But the man not talk. They can't go sleep for night.
Quiet.
The man quiet.
The woman make him safe. He say it's no problem.
The woman come beg him, honey, please. I am sorry. He's the devil. He's conji. He's this one. He said, no problem. Don't worry. No problem. You can go. Not be in for night where they sleep. The man can't wake up for morning. Because he say the woman don't kill herself.
He just commit
suicide on her own. Now,
by herself unto herself.
He nothing. Police can't arrest the man. As they arrest the man, they give the man how many years?
20
years in prison.
They say he killed the
wife. Now, who you go blame?
Number 1.
Now law you go blame.
Number 2.
I been at the husband you go blame.
Or number 3.
I been at the woman you go blame. Reason am. Will they come back on top of the next show? For Wazobia TV.
This is a multiple choice question.
Will they come back chapter? Easy bit play something for us. Let us ginger our spirit. Hey!